Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you a brand new WWE 2K25 locker code that's going to unlock everything. So this is going to get all wrestlers or characters unlocked. This is going to get all the unlockables revealed, and it is super easy. This is a working locker code, and I searched a long time on Google and also watched other YouTube videos, and most of the locker codes are either expired or they don't actually supply that much. I'm going to show you how to unlock everything in WWE 2K25 using the secret master locker code. Before I show you this method, do make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a gift card giveaway that you're definitely going to want to enter. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to unlock everything in WWE 2K25. So you're going to want to use your mobile phone just to obtain this master locker code, and then you can redeem it in-game no matter which platform you play on. So use your mobile internet, go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video and copy Crash Coupons down there. But basically, guys, this is a coupon code or game code website, and they have loads of different pages. So you do need to use the search bar, or you can scroll through. It depends how patient you are. There's so many pages. I recommend using the search bar, searching for WWE 2K25. They have 2K26, but this video is obviously focusing on 2K25. So on this page, there's a couple of different codes. There is a game code, but we're interested in this one, unlock everything. This is a master locker code for WWE 2K25, and it is going to unlock all unlockables. Now, this method is super easy. It does take about 5 minutes to obtain your secret locker code, but it is well worth it, guys. But I will warn you, this will probably ruin the game for you, because if you unlock everything, it takes away your desire to grind. But it is sort of an old game now, so I don't mind sharing this method. But basically, guys, these are limited codes, so you need to unlock your personal 2K25 locker code, guys, to unlock everything. So click on this button and you're going to be brought to this page here, which basically tells you what you need to do to unlock your code. It is super easy. You just got to complete 2 of the free offers below. So essentially, you're going to have a list of tasks here. They are completely free, as you can see, free, free, free. And these are really easy things like mobile applications, mobile games. Just follow the instructions, because that tells you what you need to do to satisfy that specific task. So yeah, just fully complete 2 of them. It took me about 5 minutes, but then it will send you back and your code will be revealed. So the full locker code will be shown here in this box. You can redeem it in WWE 2K25. And that, guys, is how to unlock everything. Super easy, working in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons and navigate your way to the WWE 2K25 locker codes page. Select the unlock all code. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.